If you're trying to figure out how to add an email opt-in to your checkout page, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in under 3 minutes. No fluff, just the steps that work. This small tweak can massively boost your email list and future sales. So stick around because I'll also show you a pro tip at the end that most people miss. And it could double your opt-ins. I tested this across the most popular platforms: Shopify, WooCommerce, ClickFunnels, and more. And the easiest way to do it across nearly all of them is with the software we'll be using in this video. You'll find an exclusive free trial just for viewers of my channel, linked below. So let's jump right in. First, go to your checkout page editor. Depending on your platform, this could be inside your website builder or your store's backend. Now, instead of adding a generic form, what we want is an integrated opt-in field, either directly on the checkout form or in a clear, non-intrusive step before payment. In our software, go to the checkout editor, click on the form field section and select Add Custom Field. Choose Email Opt-in from the drop-down. Now here's the key part. Make sure it's not more pre-checked. This keeps you compliant with privacy laws like GDPR. Instead, label it clearly. Something like, "Yes, send me product updates and special offers." Next, connect this opt-in field to your email marketing provider. Inside the software we're using, there's a direct integration tab. Choose your provider, MailChimp, Klaviyo, or ConvertKit, for example, and map the email field from your checkout form to your email list. Once connected, set up an automation. Every time someone checks that box and completes their purchase, they'll be added to your list and sent a welcome email. This is a great spot to offer a thank you coupon or link to a loyalty program to boost future engagement. Now test it. Go through your own checkout process and check if the email is collected and added to your list automatically. If it's working, publish the changes. One final tip: keep the opt-in above the fold on mobile. Most customers check out on their phone, so visibility is key. So what's the key takeaway here? Adding an email opt-in to your checkout page is one of the simplest ways to grow your email list passively without affecting your conversion rates. If done, you do it the right way, with clear language and good integration. Quick recap. Use your checkout editor to add a custom opt-in field. Label it clearly, leave it unchecked. Connect it to your email provider. Set up an automation to welcome new subscribers. Test everything before going live. And again, if you want to follow along using the same tool I used here, grab the exclusive free trial in the description. It's only available through this channel and it'll save you a ton of setup time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.